Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, it's another super cold day. It's like minus 15 degrees Celsius right now with a wind chill that feels like minus 22. So that's the temperature in Fahrenheit, what it feels like on my face at the moment. So this is going to be a quick video. Now, in the last video, I took this plane out. It's sitting over there. It's called the J11. And I had a problem with snow getting into the ESC, blowing the ESC, causing it to smoke out and kill everything that was working. And this is what the ESC looked like after it stopped smoking. Yeah, so I bought another one from my local hobby store for about 20 bucks, a really cheap one, because, you know, I'm not going to invest a lot into the plane. It's just a plane. I'll probably crash it again, then I got to fix it. So anyways, I'm out here today on this cold day to fly it. There it is down there. It's all set to go. So I've changed a few things on the J11 thanks to viewer comments from the last video. A lot of you commented, said it was much too nose heavy. So what I changed is I bought some new 3S batteries, 1500 milliamp hours. Here's one of them right here. And you're not going to get much of a flight time with it, but it's got a high C rating. So, and since it's brand new, it's much better than the one that came with the plane. Also, I've moved my Insta360. Let me grab the GoPro and show you. Also, I moved the Insta360 Go-To camera. That's the case for it right there. I've moved it backwards. I'm also going to take this battery and put it to the rear so it gets some weight back there. The ski up front I left and I replaced it with a one that's not broken. I did block some of the area back here where the snow got in because it's not really designed to fly in the winter time. That's more for cooling in the summertime. So that should keep some of the snow out of the ESC. Now, the last time I was out here, the snow was all packed down hard. People had walked on it for a long time. That's not the case today. It's soft snow. The good thing is we had some rain recently, and it rained on the snow and it made what's below this really hard. So it's like a skating rink. And then on top, there's probably maybe 1 or 2 inches of snow. However, it's a type of hard snow. This plane doesn't weigh a lot, so I'm assuming that it should just float on top when I fly it. And now I'm going to shoot it this way at high speed towards those trees and everything down there, because that's the direction of the wind. So it's got to take off before that snowbank over there and those trees. So let's see how it works. Going to plug in my battery and I'm going to stick it to the rear. If you see any smoke coming out, then I did something wrong. There we go. Battery's at the rear. Let's see, how's that? No wires touching the prop. That's good. All right, hopefully it floats on top of the snow here. I'm going to put it down lightly. I'm not going to squish it in. There we go. That's good. So there's my plane over there. Let's see, the elevator still work? Yeah. So we want to go up. Oh, it's not getting very fast. Got to go faster. Oh, it's going. I got it. There we go. Let's bring it back. It's kind of wonky. I don't know if I got it very... I think I got the nose better. Where's my ski? Did it fall off? Oh no, it's still there. I'll bring it over top. Got the sun in my eyes. There we go. Coming right over. Coming right over. It's kind of hard to fly with the gloves on. Oh no! I'm going into the tree! Okay, obviously it didn't like the wind, so we're gonna go and walk over here to the trees to find it. In the deep snow, check this out. I tried to make sure it wasn't nose first when I brought it down there. I see it! It is nose first. Oh crap. Well, I will say the RC plane hobby does give you a workout. Oh, walking in the snow, look at this stuff down here. Here, check out my trail. That's where I came from so far. Yikes. Pretty soon it's going to be up to my knee down here. Okay, there's the plane. Can you see it? I remember I said I didn't want it to land nose first. I don't think I could get it any more nose first than that. But I missed the trees. That's the only plus. Oh, look at this. Everything just came flying apart. Check that out. There's our crash site. Well, that's looking different. First things first, let's disconnect the battery so we don't have another blowout. I can see the receiver's still on. There's our Insta360 Go camera. Hopefully you recorded all that, because let's bring you back quick. All right, pull this out, see if there's any damage in the nose. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Good thing it's a pointy nose. It just plink. It just dug itself in at least over a foot. The only damage is this tiny little sticker there. Cover's good. There's no other parts. Everything's good here. Here's the remote. I'm just going to shut that off now. Carry this baby back and see what the damage is. Oh, my ski looks a little bent, even more so than last time up front. Let's plop you down. We'll do some repairs. I keep bending the ski up front here. It's just a thin piece of metal. I just don't want to bend it back too much or else I might break it out in the cold. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Oh, I'm missing the servo. I gotta attach that. All right, so this is gonna have to end the video because the servo up front that holds the ski straight, there's a cable off it that I have to like push in really tight, and I can't do it. It's too cold out here. I can't do it with my hands. I'm gonna break the plastic or the metal. So I'll have to do that at home. So this ends another episode of Captain Drone attempting to fly and land the J11 without crashing or setting it on fire. So far, that's 2 points for the J11 and 0 for me. Next time we come out, I'll see if I can fly and land it without crashing and have a successful flight. Thanks for watching this video. I'll put links to this plane below. I'm beating the crap out of it. It's still surviving. It's still working. So I give it a thumb up for that. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.